What's up peeps, welcome back to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, give the video a like. Just a quick update on the Mini. I am collecting the spoiler and the front lip later on, so this needs to come out, and then when I get the spoiler here I'm going to do some riv nuts on it, so then I can screw it on from behind nice and tight. And then obviously my mate fixed the bit that's here that was cracked, so it's going to go on nice, and wait until you see what we got done with it. Also the front lip, it just got painted the Millennium Jade Green, but what I want to do is where it fixes onto the front here and the sides, I'm going to put riv nuts in so that I can screw it in properly and it's not going to fall off, and hopefully I don't smash it again. So let's get riv nuts in all of these holes that are here. So we have one here, one there and two on the sides. So I'm just going to put them in real quick now and I'll show you when they're done. Now we have one done, 2 done, 3 done and 4 done. Now I will be getting nice shiny blingy bolts, but that's it for now. Awesome idea as well. These are the washers off cell tappers. They come with like a little rubber o-ring on one side and metal on the other. I'm going to use them for the bumper. So then it's just the spoiler I need to sort. Once I get it back, I need to get this off because that's absolutely destroyed. I can't even get it out, so I need to hold this with the pliers and get this with something. So I'm just going to get this out now and get it ready. So got it out. I've also been looking at my boot. It's a bit messy. I am going to get a spray can of the same green. I'm also going to get a boot kit, so new this and a big box inside. So the poor Mini needs a wash. The minute I get the spoiler on and the front lip on, I'm going to give it a quick wash. There's no point in scrubbing it now because, yeah, I've just been leaving it sitting here until I get all the bits and pieces. So give it a good scrub inside, a good scrub outside, and then bring it on a rip. Can't wait to get this spoiler on. Waiting to see what I've done with it. Awesome. So yeah, the front is prepped for the splitter. I can't wait to get it back on. I'm also picking up new reg plates. I got Jap reg plates, so it's one of these but a little bit smaller, and then the back one that's going on is square, so it's going to be pure Jap spec. Look at them lights, awesome. So I have my riv nut tool back out because there's something special in this car. Ooh, brand new shampoo. What could we have here? Let's go. I'm not going to unwrap them now on film. I'm just going to undo them, get all these punched in, get them on the car, and always for dramatic reasons, show you when they're on the car. So let's get it done. So guys, as you can see, spoiler is immaculate. We made John and Dipworks done this ghost effect, so it's like a really dark colour here, but it is still dipped. He sprayed the whole spoiler the same colour as the car and then dipped it in crushed carbon, and how cool does that look? Now, onto the front splitter. It's on now. Noise of scramblers in the background, but this wheel is a little bit flat, so I'm going to get my pump out, pump this up, let it down off the jack because I needed to loosen one of the riv nuts there and bring her on a spin. So that's the main machine done for now. We're heading to Cars and Coffee tomorrow in the Mini. That's why I wanted to get it all done today. Heading off to a party now. So yeah, I'll video the Cars and Coffee on the way there tomorrow. Give this a wash first and then I'll see you all there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Peace out and be dedicated. See you in the next one.